Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I create my shakers. And if the lighting is a little off, it's because it's 3 o'clock in the morning right now. So yeah, that's why. But I posted a bunch of these shakers, especially these that I just posted yesterday. These I did a video on, but I had posted these, the llama, the pizza, the big donut. So I wanted to share with you guys real quick how I get it done. So as you can see right here, I have 3 images and I have them inside of the Project Life protective sleeves. And what we're going to do is we're going to fuse around and leave openings so where we can put in the sequins. You guys, this is super easy. You can do it. The only thing tricky is the fuse tool, because sometimes it tends to like get stuck or it just won't go away. What I say is let the fuse tool heat up at least 30 to 40 minutes before you actually start using it. That way that it gets hot enough to give you the heat to go straight with the wheel. So maybe we'll do this one first. So I have it just inside of a little protective seal that's sealed down here and it's sealed over here, but I'm still going to put it in the middle so I can go around with the fuse tool. So here's the fuse tool I'm using. Hopefully it reaches. Yes, it does. Okay, I don't want to put my head in the frame, so I'm just going to start to go around, almost like if I was tracing. All the way around till I leave like an opening. And sometimes I have to maneuver this a little bit of different ways. Right now it's not picking up the wheel. I don't know why. Let's start off on this side. That's the only thing, you guys. Sometimes it could get a little tricky. It almost like wants to work when it wants to work. I'm trying to check to see if it's actually sealing. I think it is. I think it actually sealed up the whole thing. So now I'm gonna just get some sequins and add some to it. Nothing crazy, I just want to put maybe some red, something simple. I just wanted to show you guys. So, excuse me, that's how it looks. And now I'm just going to finish sealing up the top. And then what I do is I cut off all the excess. And I do go back just to make sure that it's not going to open up when my pen pal receives it. You don't want any messes or anything like that when they're trying to shake their little shaker. So that's why I kind of always go like on the back side and reinforce with the fuse tool. A couple of times. When I first started doing shakers, I had my share of them opening up. Right here, this is open. So I'm going to let that little sequence get back in there so that I can fuse that little part correctly. So nothing comes out. Now we're going to check it out. And I think we're good. And there's a little shaker. You see how easy that is, you guys? I'm going to try one more. It's just sometimes I feel like sometimes I feel like you have to even like let it be even longer, like getting hot. It's like, what the hell, man? How long do I have to leave you heating? Do I have to leave you heating overnight? So we're gonna do this tag. You see, sometimes it'll do like a simple line, and then sometimes it'll just give you such a hard time. I'm sorry if I'm not talking. I'm trying to focus on making sure that it's properly sealed. Okay. So let's cut this one off. We just cut right around that edge. And then we have a little opening where we're going to put our little sequence. And I'm going to add some gold in this one. With some white. Maybe some red. Right? I think that's pretty cool. and then we'll just seal it back. And this one is done. Did you guys see how fast that is? We made 2 little shakers. Super fast. I hope that I was in frame this whole time, because if I wasn't... But yeah, you guys. That's how I make my shakers. I basically use like the little ephemera pieces and some Becky Higgins like Project Life sleeves, and yeah, that's about it. Some sequins and you got yourself a shaker. Super easy to make. If you guys have any more questions, just leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry for the lighting, but it's kind of dark, but I'm pretty sure you got to see what I was doing. Don't forget to hit that bell so you guys can be notified when I do or post any videos. And yeah, thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.